For someone to produce a Drupal 6 theme, a basic knowledge of PHP, HTML, and CSS is required. In this video, I will quickly review what skills are needed to follow along in this course. When building a Drupal theme, a basic knowledge of HTML is required because we'll be actually building templates that utilize HTML markup. If you're not familiar with HTML, I highly recommend the training available on lynda.com titled XHTML and HTML Essential Training. CSS is also required when building a Drupal theme. If you're not familiar or comfortable with CSS, I also highly recommend that you check out the online training available on lynda.com, and I personally recommend a specific course titled CSS2 Essential Training. I've actually viewed this course and it was one of my great introductions into CSS. PHP knowledge is also required, but only a basic knowledge of PHP variables. If you're not familiar with PHP or you would just like to learn about PHP variables on its own, you could check out the essential training available on lynda.com for PHP and MySQL. To edit PHP, CSS, and HTML code, we'll need a text editor. One commercial industry standard option is Adobe Dreamweaver, which is available on Windows and Mac. Dreamweaver costs $3.99, so it is kind of an expensive option for many people. And since Drupal is free, I would actually like to offer some alternatives to Dreamweaver that are free themselves. One option I would recommend for free is Text Wrangler, but it's only available on Mac, but I use it personally and it's actually a really good quick editor. I also use Eclipse, the PHP developer version, because I actually do some more complex development with Drupal. And I'm recommending Eclipse, but I'm going to let you know that it's an intimidating interface for newcomers. Eclipse is also available on Windows and Mac. Now that we know what skills we need when producing a Drupal theme, we'll need to get our text editors ready to edit those files. I'll be using Dreamweaver on Windows and have it installed and ready to go.